Hi, Trisha Morris here from Club Scrap, and here's an invitation to come to my next big workshop. This is called the Triple Panel Book. You'll get a kit. It contains the folding board, all the hardware required, the closures, and an entire Flourish collection. It's our page kit, but we're adapting it to make the book. And then, of course, you'll receive very helpful instructions, a nice detailed packet here that will help you assemble the book. And then the two-part process of assembly. Part one will be trimming all the papers into 4 different groups in order to have us ready for the assembly. On or after April 15, you'll be able to view the workshop, and we're airing that for the first time at the One of a Kind Facebook page. Let's take a quick tour of the book. It's got a gorgeous front cover. You can check out, we've got these protective metal corners here, a very clever magnetic clasp, and here's where that triple panel name comes in. The first is just a trifold, ready for pictures, of course, so that's where everything can begin. The center section is this neat waterfall style. Every single panel in the waterfall is 4x6, so with just a little trim of the length and width of your picture, you can pop it right onto that. And then over here we have a sealed pocket, also with a hook and loop closure. And inside, I will even help you assemble this clever little accordion folded book. It just kind of goes on, doesn't it? And then, of course, you don't have to decorate just one, but you can use the contents of the kit to decorate 2 full sides of this awesome little book. It basically has 2 outside covers, and then insert that into the pocket, and you've got a gorgeous gift to give to anyone, or maybe to keep for yourself. Once you master the making of this book, you can actually take any Club Scrap page kit, and here's another example. This is our Surfs Up collection and the white folding board colorway. Again, we have the magnetic closure, and it opens up to these wonderful bright colors. So again, this was the same project adapted with different papers, and of course we did all of the fun stuff, all of the decorating, because our kits include everything you need to be able to do that. What a fun little collection here to make the triple panel book. We also have a kit that includes the 3 black folding boards, the closures, the magnetic closure, the metal corners, and your needle tip glue applicator. One thing you will need to bring for sure is our book binding glue. This is something you can purchase separately, but you'll definitely want it to assemble this project. And here again is an example of the book made with the black folding board. Same basic assembly, the same trifold panels here in the middle, but just a kind of a different look. This black folding board anchors the mariachi page kit beautifully. Look forward to seeing you in class. Don't forget to do your homework, and we'll meet up again on April 15. See you then.